Hi guys, in the previous two videos we have written two different list sorting methods, that is sort list 1 and sort list 2. If you have not checked the videos out, link are in the description below. Please check the videos out before watching this video, because in this video we are going to compare these two methods, and by compare I mean we are going to compare their execution time by providing different list with different lengths. For example, we are going to pass a list with 1,000 different numbers to these methods and capture their execution time. Same, we will have another list of 5,000 random numbers. We are going to pass that list to both the methods and capture their execution time. Same, we will have 10,000 random numbers list. Then we will have 25,000 random numbers list, and then finally we will have 50,000 random numbers list. So before wasting any time, let's get started. So to generate random numbers, we will import random, and to capture the execution time, we will import time. Okay, so we will use for loop here for x in length of list. Okay, and we are going to declare numbers list as empty variable, and now we are going to use the while loop. While the length of numbers list is less than or equal to x, okay, which means until the length of numbers list doesn't become equal to x, we are going to append the random numbers into the numbers list. So numbers list dot append random dot rand integer, and we are going to pass a range here. Now for 1,000 we are going to pass a range from -500 to 500. Okay, so our x is 1,000 now, so we have to divide it by 2 to make it 500. Minus x double divided by 2 and x double divided by 2. So this basically will mean -500 to 500. So this is the range we will pass for 1,000. For 5,000 we will going to pass -2,500 to 2,500. For 10,000 we are going to pass -5,000 to 5,000, so it becomes 10,000. So let me quickly run this so you will have better understanding what this code is doing. Now I will print x and length of numbers list. Okay, now if I remove this equals to, it will basically become equal. So this is x and this is length of numbers list. So these are different lists, and with these different lists we are going to pass it to different sorting methods, that is sort list 1 and sort list 2. Now we have to capture the execution time as well. So we will write start underscore time is equals to time dot time, and we have to call the function here sort list 1, and we have to pass the numbers list here that will sort the list. Now we will have end time is equals to time dot time. Now we have to minus the start time from end time. So total time taken by the sort list 1 will be end time minus start time. Okay, now we will do same for sort list 2. Now we will have the total time for sort list 1 and total time for sort list 2. Now we are just getting the total time. We are not storing the total time anywhere, right? So we will create two dictionaries, sort list 1 record and sort list 2 record. So for each of this length of list 1000, 5000, 10,000, 25,000 and 50,000, we are going to store the execution time of sort list 1 and sort list 2 in these dictionaries. So what we will do here, we will write sort list 1 record, then we are going to pass x here is equals to total time. So for example, in the for loop the x will become 1000, so we are going to pass the 1000 as key in the sort list 1 and the time it took to sort the list by sort list 1 as the value. Okay, same for the sort list 2. Just we will, now everything looks fine here. Now we just have to run this. It will take quite some time because the length of list keeps on increasing, and it will take a lot of time for the 50,000 numbers to sort it. So let's skip to the good part. So now that our program is executed, it's time for the results. So we have stored the results in these dictionaries here and we will print them. So we have a sort list 1 record and sort list 2 record. Let's just print them. For 1000 random numbers, sort list 1 method took 0.06 seconds, whereas sort list 2 method took 0.02 seconds, which is a difference of 0.04 seconds. So for 5000 random numbers, our sort list 1 took around 1.6 seconds, whereas sort list 2 took around 0.6 seconds. This is a difference of total 1 second. For 10,000, sort list 1 took 6.7 seconds, whereas sort list 2 took 2.5 seconds. Okay, 4 second difference. Okay, for 25,000 random numbers, sort list 1 took 41 seconds and sort list 2 took 16 seconds. That's a great difference here. And for 50,000, sort list 1 took 182 seconds and sort list 2 took 65 seconds. Okay, so we have a clear winner here, sort list 2. This is the faster method compared to sort list 1. So this was the purpose of this video. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.